皆さんこんにちは、ビキです。よろしくお願いします。Hi everyone, I'm Vicky. How you doing? Okay, today I would like to continue to share 何のまとめ。Okay, 何のまとめ。So first, let's review the last 3 episodes. Okay, so this kanji. Okay, for episode 1, we have learned 何 plus 曜日。Yeah, 何 plus 曜日。It is what day いいですか What day 今日は何曜日ですか皆さん今日は何曜日ですか What day is it today? Today is Wednesday 水曜日いいですか And episode 2 Episode 2 we have learned 何 yeah? 何 when this kanji meet particle が it will be pronounced as 何 Do you remember the examples? What do you want? 何が want 欲しい何が欲しいですか What do you want? Yeah? 何が欲しいですか Okay? So this kanji when it meets particle が will be pronounced as 何 Okay, 何 And episode 3 we have learned the pronunciation about 何 Yeah, 何 plus 何月何 plus 月 become 何月 Yeah, what months 今は何月ですか皆さん今は何月ですか Now is February, right? 2月ですね2月 Okay 何 plus ヶ月 Yeah, 何ヶ月何ヶ月 It is how many months Okay, so today we will continue to learn this kanji. Yeah, today we will be using this episode 4. We will be using this sentence example on the board. Yeah, have you learned kanji? Yeah, so if you haven't learned, I will put the hiragana for you. Ne? Do you remember this one? This one is the particle. Our topic marker, yeah? It brings out the topic. Here will be our alternative words, né? So, 日本語, this is 日本語で Okay, today we will continue to learn the pronunciation about 何 Okay, 何 Yeah, so our topic marker, what brings out the topic? 何々は日本語で何ですか Okay, so our particle, our topic, marker what, and our particle de over here, it's like in, yeah? It's like English, in, yeah? 何 what, and this is the question marker か yeah? So, like this topic here, like what is this? Yeah, these things we're going to talk about later in Japanese language. Okay, for example, food. Have you learned about food? Food. 皆さん、food は日本語で何ですか food ね、food は日本語で何ですか日本語で何ですか食べ物ね食べ物ね Food は日本語で食べ物ですいいですか Food は日本語で食べ物です Okay, how about drink? The noun drink. What is drink? Drink は日本語で何ですか Drink は日本語で何ですか飲み物 Yeah? If you have learned the verb ね to drink To drink is 飲むね飲む Okay, nomu. And mono over here, mono is things, yeah. No me, yeah, change to me, yeah. The things we drink, like drinks, yeah. No mi mono. The verb is nomu, nomu. Okay. So drinkは日本語で飲み物です。ね、if it's affirmative, it will be です。Yeah, over here, ですか is the question. Alright. And another one, fruit. Have you learned about fruit? Those are the basic topics to learn if you have just started to learn Japanese language. Alright, fruit. Okay, fruit. ね。fruit は日本語で何ですか？ fruit は日本語で何ですか？ fruit は日本語で何ですか？皆さん。果物。ね。果物。ね。Okay? 果物。いいですか？ So this is the basic sentence pattern when you use, yeah, over here, the noun over here is like what. Yeah, when you want to ask a question, for example, これは what brings out the topic, yeah, these things. これは日本語で何ですか？真っ赤ですね。真っ赤ね。真っ赤です。Alright. And continue. We will learn another sentence pattern, which is something basic and very useful. So I hope you remember the 3 words I shared about food, drink, and fruit. Alright? So the sentence pattern, another one. We use this noun. No. Here is the alternative words. Here is the alternative words. Noun no. が好きですか？ For example, noun over here, today's pronunciation we learn is about noun. Yeah, just now remember noun の食べ物ね。食べ物 just now we learn 食べ物、飲み物 and 果物。いいですか？ Do you remember the 好き like 好きですか？ Do you like? Yeah, so this is the particle が here it brings out the object of the things you like or you don't like. Okay, noun not together it also means what. Yeah, what. In English this is also what. Yeah, when you need to be hands, it will be a noun no. Yeah, noun no. Okay, so you know in Japanese when you connect a noun like 2 nouns together, so we use this particle no. Yeah, so 何の食べ物が好きですか？ Remember the か is the question mark ね。好きです means I like. 好きですか？ Do you like? Do you like over here the things? Yeah. 何の食べ物が好きですか？ Yeah, so what food? Yeah, 食べ物 food. Yeah, drink. 飲み物、果物 fruit. Okay? So, 何の食べ物が好きですか？皆さん何の食べ物が好きですか？ね、次。何の飲み物が好きですか？何の飲み物が好きですか？ Yeah, what drink do you like? いいですか？ Then the last one. 何の果物が好きですか？何の果物が好きですか？ What fruit do you like? ね。いいですか？ So if you have already, if you just want to use this が好きですか？Yeah, so in front it will be the noun, the object you like. Yes, if you just want to ask someone a particular things, whether you like or not. For example, let's see, 果物ね、果物 For example, in Singapore, a lot of people eat durian. 果物ね、ドリアン Okay, durian. This is katakana because it's come from the word durian. Okay, so you can just use ドリアンが好きですか？ドリアンが好きですか？ね。If you want to ask someone, do you like something? So over here is your alternative words, the something. Okay? Alright. ドリアンが好きですか？皆さんドリアンが好きですか？ Yeah, if you want to say yes, I like. はい、好きです。If you say don't like, いいえ、好きではありません。Yeah,私の場合ね、for me, I don't like. 好きではありません。This is the most polite for we, or another one is 好きではないです。いいえ、好きではないです。And then the least polite and the just for spoken, it is the いいえ、好きじゃないです。いいですか？ Alright, so this is today's sharing about the episode 4, this kanji. So today's pronunciation is about noun. Yeah, noun itself in this sentence pattern means what. Yeah, what. Okay. 何々は日本語で何ですか？いいですか？ And then together when this kanji meets the particle no. Okay. When it meets the particle no, it is pronounced as 何のね、何の食べ物が好きですか？いいですか？ Alright, so this is today's sharing. I hope it helps you to learn this kanji. It's a simple kanji, but it can bring out so many different topics. Yeah. So if you like this video, if you find it is useful, and please subscribe and continue to follow. I will try my best to come up more videos. Okay. またね. Thank you. Bye bye.